Good morning. It's morning tea with me, and it's Lisa with Soulshine and Charlie on cue. This morning I've already taken my morning walk, so I'm all dewy and sweaty. Even my kielbasi shirt is dirty, so I've chosen happy today. It is a cleaning day, but I can't choose my kielbasi shirt because it too is dirty. So this morning I made all kinds of stuff are in here. I found this new recipe of morning smoothie. It's called a powerhouse smoothie, so I couldn't resist. Chocolate collagen powder, blackstrap molasses, because apparently that's really good for you, bee pollen, ice water, coconut milk, really solid coconut milk, like in a jar, that kind. So cheers to you. Everything is yummier in a mason jar with a straw. So this weekend we were entertaining guests, so today is a big cleaning day, but I wanted to jump on real quick and tell you that over the weekend, the link for the Amazon, the book, Charlie, Me, and Thee went live. So you can now order it online. Charlie is disinterested, although he is on the front cover, so he should get, proper press. Anyway, if you want to go to Amazon and just Google my name, Lisa Weigard, you'll find my frizzy mug and Charlie's underbite staring right at you, and you can order it on Kindle or paperback book, and it comes in like 2 days. And so I hope you like it. It's very vulnerable to let yourself out there for everyone to see and enjoy, but have at it. So I'm going to go continue to clean, finish my powerhouse smoothie, and just know that I'm sending you so much love. I hope you have a great day. Mwah, mwah, mwah.